Hi guys, Declan Mack here. Just want to shoot you this quick video for a new product out, Ultimate Traffic Monster 2 by three good friends of mine, Nidy, Honey and Michael Baptiste. This is top quality stuff. The guys go through how and where they get their best amounts of traffic. If you don't have traffic online, you don't make sales. Full stop. Traffic is absolutely vital to succeed in this business. If you don't have traffic, again, as I said, you won't have any sales. So whatever you have is no good. But these boys go in depth on how they get most of their quality traffic, and it's so easy, and the course is laid out in a way it's so newbie friendly that anyone can use it. It's ideal for someone starting off. It's ideal for seasoned marketers as well. Pick it up now. It's on a dime sale. The price is only going to go up the longer you leave it. Ultimate Traffic Monster 2. Fantastic product. Fantastic course. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Declan Mack over and out.